Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use a generative profile background on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can go and check out some videos. We have stories where you can go and check out videos from your friends' stories. We can see the camera, the chats, and the location on Snapchat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use a generative profile background on Snapchat. So go to your profile and tap the background icon in your 3D Bitmoji header. So that is on the top left corner, as you can see it in all of these screens. Then when you did that, under background, tap the input bar and type a prompt or use one of the suggested prompts. After you have done that, tap search to begin generating backgrounds based on your prompt. After that, once the results are downloading, select and background you like and tap set background. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.